Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Power off, presser foot raised, needle up so paths align. Place your spool on the pin and guide the thread through the first guide. The cap prevents slipping. Wind and install a properly wound bobbin into the bobbin case so tension springs seat. Once the bobbin's set, pull a short tail of thread out. These initial steps set correct thread routing and tension. Make sure each guide is engaged to avoid snags before moving. Now route the upper thread. Bring it down to the tension discs and then up so it seats between them. This setting controls stitch formation. Pull the thread up to the K-cup lever and thread through it from front to back. You'll feel the motion as you turn the hand wheel. Continue down through any final guides and into the needle eye. Use the needle threader if helpful. Once threaded, hold the upper thread and turn the wheel so the needle picks up a loop of bobbin thread. With both threads out behind the presser foot, lower the foot and gently pull to align threads. Stitch a few samples on scrap, using the quilting stitch length and speed you'll use. Observe top and bobbin tension and stitch formation. If stitches are uneven, retrace upper and bobbin paths, confirm needle is correct size and fully inserted, and clean lint from tension areas. One key tip: if you see looping on one side, reseat the thread between the tension discs and retest before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.